welcome to National Headlines. I'm Amina Ansari and I will be taking you to the top headlines from the leading newspapers of the country. Let's start with the Times of India. PM dials Abbas to condole deaths in hospital blast. India's delicate balancing act on the Gaza conflict saw PM Modi on Thursday speaking to the Palestinian Authority President Mahmoud Abbas and condoling loss of lives in the Gaza hospital bombing. India will continue to provide humanitarian aid, he said. Next headline is from the Indian Express. Moitra gave me her parliament login password, Hira Nandani, to Lok Sabha panel. She claims PMO drafted his letter. The cash for query allegations involving Trinamool MP Mahua Moitra took a serious turn on Thursday with Darshan Hiranandani, CEO of Hiranandani Group, claiming in an affidavit to the Ethics Committee of Lok Sabha that she provided him her parliament login and password so that he could pose the questions directly on her behalf when required. Moitra called the letter a joke and said the draft of the letter was sent by the PMO and Darshan was forced to sign it. Let's move to the headlines from the Hindu. Supriya Sule takes off Himanta Biswa Sarma for his Israel-Hamas remark. Nationalist Congress Party NCP leader Supriya Sule on Thursday hit back at Assam Chief Minister and senior Bharatiya Janata Party leader Himanta Biswa Sarma for suggesting that her father, NCP Chief Sharad Pawar, would send Ms. Sule to Gaza to fight for the Palestinian extremist outfit Hamas. Speaking in Mumbai, Ms. Sule took a swipe at the Assam CM, a former congressman, by remarking that she was surprised at how Mr. Sarma's attitude toward women had changed once he went over the ruling BJP. Next, let's move on to the headlines in the Economic Times. Adani Group set to refinance $3.5 billion debt taken for ACC Ambuja buy. The Adani Group is all set to sign a definitive agreement to refinance $3.5 billion of loans taken for last year's acquisition of ACC Limited and Ambuja Cement, people aware of the discussions told ET. Let's move on to the headlines from the Telegraph. Wheat MSP increased by 119% during Manmohan government. Only 57% during Modi regime. Congress. The Congress on Thursday questioned Prime Minister Narendra Modi's silence on granting legal guarantee for minimum support price and claimed that the government has raised the MSP for wheat by Rs 150 as its stocks are depleting. Congress General Secretary Jairam Ramesh also took a dig at Modi for taking credit for this big increase and said while the MSP for wheat went up by 119% during Manmohan Singh government and it has increased only by 57% under NDA regime. Finally, our last headline is from the Hindustan Times. Modi asked MP voters for direct support in letter. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday sought a direct support of the people of Madhya Pradesh in the upcoming assembly elections and hailed the effort by the state government and Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan in developing the heartland state over the last 2 decades. That's all for National Headlines. To stay updated on the latest headlines from the leading newspapers, do join us on National Headlines from Monday to Saturday at 11 a.m.